Welcome to the low mid budget watch report. And today I'm going to unbox a mechanical watch from China, a cheap one that I bought on aliexpress. And I don't know too much about this watch. It says it's a Shanghai watch, but I don't know if that's just the city Shanghai or that the brand is Shanghai, or it's a mechanical watch, and it was very cheap. It was only around 400 crowns. No, not even no, 360 crowns, and I think it's around $36, 36 euro. It was a very cheap one, but not too cheap. I wanted the free shipping and all of that, I don't want to be bothered with the shipping details too much. Well, let's unbox this China watch. This is how the box looks like. It says Diamond 1939. I'm not sure if that's the watch brand. I don't think so. I just think this is a random box that says 1939. I'm not sure. Or maybe it's a retailer that make these type of boxes in China. I don't know. I'm not sure. And the watch is on a pillow. It's covered with some plastic, and you have to screw the watch, and this is how it looks. Moves nice. And you also get this watch cleaner, I guess, if the watch gets dirty. Nice. And I think this is the tag. It says something in Chinese and Diamond. Maybe the watch brand is Diamond. I will have to check it out on the Google. I will have to Google it. And this is the instruction manual in Chinese, or maybe warranty, or maybe something else. In the instruction manuals, it says that the watch has if you can see closely here, a date window, which this watch doesn't have any date window. I think this is a general instruction manual for all mechanical watch from this company. Well, let's see how it fits. The pillow was very nice, cushy, comfy pillow. Let's try this mechanical watch on. Well, it fits pretty nice. It's a bit small for my taste, but it's nice. It's a dinner type of watch. It's a tea party type of watch. I don't think this is stainless steel. I think this is something else. I don't know. I really don't know. And I think this is not the type of watch you should dive with, or even I wouldn't try to do the dishes with this watch either. This is the tea party type of watch, if you know what I'm saying. And the leather strap says genuine leather, but that means that it's not real leather. I think it's okay, looks nice. and the watch moves really nice. I don't have any mechanical watch. I just have some automatic watches, but I never. This is my first mechanical watch, and I think it looks pretty good. Good, moves pretty good. Well, on the back side it says Diamond, Shanghai, China. I guess the watch is made there, and I don't think I will ever try to open it and fix it. China made, it says. Well, it's a pretty beautiful watch for the price of almost $40. Well, let's take a look on the measurements. From lug end to lug end, it's around 44 millimeters, and from the crown to the bottom it is 38 millimeter, and between the lugs it is 18 millimeters. So let's check the thickness. 11 millimeters thick, and that's much because of the glass. It's also thick, so it's a pretty thin watch. It's really cool. This is my first mechanical watch. I don't know, maybe they are supposed to be much cooler, but this was really cheap. I don't think you can get a better mechanical watch for under $40. So I would highly recommend this, but I'm not even sure what brand it is. It's Shanghai. I don't know. I will maybe figure it out later. Well, let's take a closer look at this watch. And this is how the watch looks up close. I think it looks really awesome. I'm new to the mechanical type of watches, but I think the movements are really nice. And this is the Diamond brand, or is it Shanghai brand? And I don't know. Maybe Diamond is the brand. I will try to look that up. Well, as I took a quick Google on this watch, it seems like the Diamond was a company that made stopwatches in Shanghai from the early 1930s. But that the factory is not in the same place, and it moved to other parts of Shanghai, and I think they started making wristwatches later on. Nevertheless, I don't have the facts, but it's a pretty cool watch for the price under $40. So I'm very surprised by the good looks and that it actually works. I don't think mechanical watches are too cheap, and if you buy mechanical watches from China, you don't know if they will work. But yeah, that's all. Have a nice evening. Peace.